You've argued this issue before. A new client brings a similar matter, and your old brief is the place to start. But reuse it unchecked, and you carry stale authority into a new case. In Co-Counsel Legal, select the toggle that says Try the new Co-Counsel from the sidebar, and toggle back to the original anytime. Select New Workspace and give it a name. Now you're working from within your new workspace. Workspaces give every matter its own persistent home, documents, outputs, and recent conversations organized in one place, available across every session. Then upload your brief into the chat. In this example, a motion to dismiss. Using the ICI prompting method, intent, context, and instruction, give Co-Counsel Legal the new client's facts and claims and ask it to update the brief to the strongest current authority and adapt it to the new matter, as a red line in Microsoft Word track changes. No skill to pick, no steps to chain. Intent, context, instruction. Watch how it works. Co-Counsel Legal builds a plan and works through the brief, checking every authority against Westlaw and reworking the arguments around the new facts. The final output allows you to show red lines to see what's changed. Hyperlinked citations in the summary or the document open in Westlaw so you can confirm them yourself. Then, download the document and open it in Microsoft Word. Every change shown as an insertion or deletion, with a margin comment on each one that separates substantive revisions from routine name and caption conforming. The result isn't generic. It's your brief, brought current and grounded in authority you can trace. That's what fiduciary-grade AI looks like when it's built on the sources you already trust.